You show the french fries. Today I'm going to eat french fries. Show the french fries.
Ayan na. Oh. Wow. Good, no? Have some eat some french fries na. Ang galing mo. Nakaharap. Oh wow, that's a french fry. Okay. Okay. Show them it. Wow.
Yung pangarap niyang Jollibee mukbang.
For commercial.
Later.
Finish mo muna yan.
Finish your food muna.
Okay, wow. Oh. Say something. Hey guys. Dali. Hey guys. We're in the Jollibee. Dali, say something.
Kasali ka?
Oh, we're in the Jollibee na. DJ treat us. DJ libre us na. Mikas libre. Iba isang. Oh, there's a gravy in the fries. Yummy lang. Wow. Oh. Slowly lang. Pinapak. Mamaya, kasi magkatapos. No fries now. Eat your rice.
Use spoon and fork.
Hindi naman ganyan.
Later na yan, finish your rice muna. Yan.
Oh, na. Dito! Sa rice. You put on the rice. Mushrooms. Sa rice. Matusok na eh. Wow. Malagay natin Facebook, no? Bawal study rice.
Mushroom.
There's a mushroom, no? Wow. And this one, no? Mushroom. No, show them the mushroom. That's a mushroom. Yes. Opo. Wow.
Mababash ka sa ginagawa mo, DJ.
Bobas. Bata, bobas. Wow.
Hindi yung bata, yung magulang ay babash.
Pakialaman. Daw na kayo ng buhay ni Mata. So masaya man. Ang importante.
Water.
Water ba? No soft drinks na? No soft drinks, no coca lang. Only water lang. Wow. Almost finished na. Oh, punas. Wow. Wow, big one. Pag ganito french fry, parang walang wow. Okay, what's next? Spaghetti. Spaghetti naman. Marami na. Simot. Finish. Next.